Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. I am Cadet Puneshlok P. Balimat of class 9th B from Sainik School Bijapur. Today I am here to demonstrate an interesting and practical application of mathematics involving geometry and the relationship between the volumes of a cylinder and a cone. To do this activity, we'll need the following materials. And the materials are a tape, a scissor, A4 sheets, a scale and a glass of water. First, let's understand the basic formulas we'll be working with. The volume of a cylinder is given by the formula pi r square h, where r is radius and h is height of a cylinder. In cone, the volume is given by 1/3 of volume of a cylinder. So it's 1/3 of pi r square h. So here we can understand that the volume of a cone is 1/3 of a cylinder's volume. Now let's put the theory into practice with a hands-on demonstration. Before we start the demonstration, we should make a cone and a cylinder of same height and radius using A4 sheets. Preparing the cylinder and a cone, take two A4 sheets. For the cylinder, roll one A4 sheet into a cylinder shape by aligning the shorter edges and taping them together. Ensure the edges are securely taped so the shape holds. Use the scale to measure the height and radius of a cylinder. For the cone, take the other A4 sheet and cut out a semicircle. Roll the semicircle into a cone shape by bringing the cut edges together and taping them. The height of a cone can be measured from the base to the tip using the scale. Now comparing the volumes. To visualize the difference of volume, we'll use water. Place the cone inside a larger container to avoid spilling. Slowly fill the cone with water up to the brim. Once filled, pour the water from the cone into the cylinder. Repeat this process 2 more times, ensuring each time that the cone is completely filled with water before pouring it into the cylinder. Here we can observe after pouring water from the cone into the cylinder 3 times, you will observe that the cylinder is now completely filled with water to its brim. The visual experiment demonstrates that the volume of the cylinder is indeed 3 times the volume of the cone. So, here we can come to the conclusion that 3 times of a cone's volume is equal to the volume of a cylinder. Through this simple but effective demonstration, we have seen the mathematical relationship between the volumes of a cylinder and a cone. This experiment not only reinforces the geometric formulas but also highlights the importance of understanding mathematical principles through hands-on activities. I encourage all of you to try this experiment yourselves. It's a fun and educational way to see mathematics in action. Thank you for your attention and I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. Thank you all for watching my video, and before you go, please do a like for my video.